FSD, let's go. Let's see what we got here. Turning out, perfect. Looking for any situations, perfect. These are the good videos when you have FSD going a good way. It's going to make a turn out here. A little bit of a complex situation here. It's assessing it. No, looks good. Tesla was being cautious, which is good. So it's pretty good. Look at that. Bam. Nice turn. It has a few turns in this area right here. I want to see, show some of the progress here. All right, we're going to come up to the next area. And on this next area, it's going to make another turn. So we got some cool turns coming up, which is the interesting situations. Windy road, but again, Tesla's always done good on this. It's never really had a problem with windy roads like this from what I've seen since 2019, and it's gotten better, but now the turns are so perfected. So here we go, coming up here for another turn. Looks like it's going to try to make maybe a right up here, but let's see what it shows. And I just love that screen, the full big screen. All right, making a right turn, coming up to the stop sign. And we are going to make the right turn. So full stop here. And here we go. Perfect turn. Look at it go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. No problems, no situations. It's just making these perfect turns. Now we're going to go straight coming up to this next light. There's going to be a light up ahead of here. And again, this is windy roads, but again, it's still interesting to see. You can see how good it's doing on these roads, but the turns are just the amazing thing, how it's perfected it. The parking, I mean, what else can it do? When it first started, when Elon first gave that authorization, if you request it, then you have to wait, then it gives it to you like the full self-driving. It was okay. The turns were not great, but they did it. But now it's just perfect, like it's all around perfect, and I definitely think it's ready. Before I was skeptical about it being ready for like robo-taxis and stuff, but I mean now it's so amazing. Like, how could it not be ready for robo-taxis? I don't have to intervene at all. I haven't intervened in quite a long time, unless it was purposeful, to intervene, take over for various reasons, not because the car can't do it, but just because I want to do it for certain reasons. But my point is that I've never had to have an intervention where it was necessary. So it would have done fine in all of the situations here. And again, it's just going down this 2-lane road, right? And doing so perfect on these turns. And again, it's always done that. And it no problems. Here goes a hill up here. Oh, there's a car on the road. See the situations come up and you see how that car is in the road right there. And Tesla just naturally moves over to avoid the car. Before, it would have had a whole situation where it stopped, it beeped, it did this, but bam, done. It sees the car, goes around it. See, those are the kind of situations that are so good for the full self-driving. It's just so amazing. So it navigated that situation perfectly. So the situations are the cool parts, and we just happen to have this situation. All right, left turn here, coming up to the light. It goes in the right lane perfectly, just so natural. We're going to make a left turn right here, and then all in the video, because it's just a bunch of actually there might be another turn. Let's see after this. All right, here we go. Perfect, no problems, no situations, and here we are. And the car is learning. I did another video that I have. It was interesting. Well, actually, no, I don't have a video of this. It started inching out, like it anticipated the light turning green, and like humans, sometimes they'll inch up. I think it learns from people too. I know it learns, but I think it mimics and learns the data it's collecting, because it usually just stops at red lights. But when it saw the light was getting ready to turn, and I read this somewhere on X, somebody was talking about it, that the car actually inched up a little bit, and I felt it today. It anticipated it was going to turn green, and it started inching up, which is amazing. I'm pretty shocked by that, how it just started inching up, and I was like, wow, it's mimicking and learning human behaviors too, which, you know, can kind of be scary. So so it does kind of learn, if you will, human behaviors, and it mimics human behaviors for that. All right, going straight here. We have light up here. And after this, it's quite a long straightaway, so the video will end after this one. I just wanted to catch the interesting situations. And this is kind of like a ramp over onto a busy highway, US 19 here. So it'll merge over, and it does that very well as well. Same thing with interstates. It could have turned here. There's like a side street that can go that way, but yeah, it's set on going straight. I wonder if I put the blinker on, would it actually turn here? Let's see. No, it doesn't want to make that turn onto the street. Well, let's see. I'm interested to see if it'll do it. Like, it wants to go straight. The path is set for straight, but I wonder if I happen to want to put the blinker on, will it go down that street right there instead? Because the navigation system and the full self-driver wants to go straight and merge onto US 19. No, it went straight regardless. So see, actually I put the blinker on to tell it to turn down that street, and it didn't do it. It wants to go straight. So it's set on the straight. The only thing I wish they had, like, kind of like Apple Maps when you can pick a route. I've seen it once or sometimes, well, more than that. I've seen it come up sometimes where you can select different routes. So it'd be kind of cool if you could pick your route. Because sometimes I don't want to go certain ways for certain reasons, you know. Whether if I know there's going to be traffic. And the car does pick that up, but sometimes I just don't like certain ways. All right, there we go. Turning onto the street right here. Perfect turn. See, no problems, no situations. Perfect. Thank you for watching the videos, and the rest for quite a while for straightaways here. So here we go. And that car kind of went over the median. Quite interesting if it's all that. Thank you for watching.